Do you want to increase your stock returns with a proven strategy? In this video, I will show you step by step how to implement Joel Greenblatt's magic formula using the Quant Investing stock screener. You will also see how a small change you can make increase the returns of the strategy by over 600%. As you already may know, the magic formula identifies companies that are both cheap and high quality. It does this by ranking them on two factors. The first one is earnings yield, which is defined as earnings before interest and taxes divided by enterprise value, and return on invested capital, also earnings before interest and taxes divided by total capital. To get the magic formula ranking of a company, all the companies in the database are ranked on these two ratios separately, and they are then combined into one ranking, which is the magic formula. Let's get started in finding the magic formula companies. We've already saved a screen for you called the magic formula. So all you have to do is load it. Just go to load, go to predefined screen, scroll down, and you'll see there's the magic formula screen. Click on it. It tells you a short description about it, and click confirm. You see the screener is running and it's giving you the magic formula rank. The magic formula ranking is called MF rank in the screener. But we want to customize the screener. So we go to the screener, we click on countries, and there we select only the countries that you want to see. So for example, if you were going to screen only for Europe, you would exclude other countries. Once you've selected all the countries, you can just click anywhere and it'll close a drop-down list. You can then exclude certain industry sectors if you want to. And then just click apply. You'll see that these rankings are red, are high rankings, and if a company is well rated, it gets a green color. So if you click on the heading, it sorts them from low to high, and you can see that these are all green, so these are well-ranked companies. But what if you want to include a separate factor in the screener? You can easily include a momentum ranking. For example, let's get 12 months price index. Just type in 12 and there's 12 months price index. So you're first going to get the 20% of magic formula companies that are best ranked, and then of those, you're going to get those with the best 12 months price increase. That's basically what the price index 12 months means. So we'll click apply. And now all we have to do is add the price index 12 months. So there you can see it. Let's just put it next to the magic formula. So if you sort this from high to low, you'll see that it sorts the companies first by their momentum ranking, and then you can see their magic formula ranking. If you want to include only really high ranked or the best ranked magic formula companies, you can say, let's say for example, we want companies less than 1,000. So you just add 1,000, and then of course there's no equal to 1,000, so you say less than. And now you can see you've got the best rank momentum companies along with only those with a good magic formula ranking. And here you can see, then it's very easy to go through these companies. You can click on the name. You'll go to the company dashboard where you can see description of the company. Here's the stock price over the last 12 months. And if you want to go back to the list, you can just do so here. And that is how easy it is to select magic formula companies anywhere in the world. There's more than 22,000 companies in the screener, and the magic formula ranking for all these companies are updated each day as financial results or as stock prices are updated. So every day up-to-date data, and it costs less than a cheap lunch for two per month to subscribe.